Alam nyo, children with special needs are really special, not because they have special needs, but because they have special gift that you need to discover. Ang espesyal sa mga batang espesyal ay hindi ang kanilang pangangailangan. Ang espesyal sa kanila ay ang kanilang talento na kailangan ninyong mahanap. There is a genius in every child. And this is my message to all those parents of children diagnosed with special needs. I don't believe in diagnosis. I don't believe that they are persons with disability. Dahil kung yan ang gagamitin nating sukatan, lahat tayo may disability. Maging ikaw, maging ako, lahat tayo may disability. Nagkataon lang na sila ay may special needs. Ang tawag natin sa kanila ay differently abled. At ito sasabihin ko sa inyo, thousands of stories of men, women, and all genders who just chose to discover the gift within. Used to be diagnosed as special children. Used to be diagnosed as persons with disability. But look at them when they discovered the gift. They bloomed to become the best persons they can be. Because deep within every special child is a genius. You just need to discover that. At mas handa sila sa mas malaking mundo where inclusivity and equitability is the definition of quality. Yan po ang magiging dahilan kung bakit sila mas magiging mabuting tao balang araw.